Hey guys, this is Eve Scrapbooking with me, and it has been a whirlwind of a 2 weeks, I tell you. And I am still having some pain, but they're saying that this is probably going to keep going on for a little while until I get I have to have some other deeper oral surgery done. But anyway, I got to get back to this because I've got so much stuff that I need to do. And the first thing I need to do is draw for our 100,000 subscriber winner. I have already put in the link to the video where everybody was supposed to post. And then I have transferred all those blog people that posted over there over to this as well. And it's 1,092 comments. Sorry, I may sound a little bit shaky. That's just because, like I said, I'm still in a little bit of pain. So we're going to click this little button right here and pick a winner. Now, if you see a little bleep in the video, that means that the person that it picked, I have looked them up and they're not a subscriber to the channel. They have to be a subscriber to the channel or they cannot be a winner. So what I do is when it pops up a winner, I go over and I look and see if they're a subscriber. And if they're not, then I come back and I do this again. So let's pick a winner. All right, we're going to click that button there. Shelly Turner, Cards a Lot Shelly. Let me go and see if she is a subscriber, and if not, then I will be right back. Shelly is our first place winner. Shelly, you have 24 hours to contact me. So if you will contact me at the email link that will be directly below, then we can get your gift card. I'm going to give a gift card, I'm supposing, out to you, but I will let you know in the email that I send back to you. So that is our first place winner. She won a $300 gift card to our store. All right, let me write that down because if I don't, I will probably not remember tomorrow. All right, Sheila, I think that is Sheila, not Shelly. Sheila, sorry about that. Sheila Turner. Okay, that was first prize. Second prize is a $150 gift card to B&E Designs, which is my daughter's company. They do all the wood crafts and all of the different little things that we have here. The ephemera holder, the glue holder, the journal tool, all of that. So let's pick a winner for that one. Click on that. Frances T. Jones is our winner for that. Or Francine. I'm having trouble with these names this morning. I can't read, I guess. Francine T. Jones. I'm pretty sure she is a subscriber, but let me go check. Okay, so Francine, you have 24 hours to contact me at the email below in order to claim your gift card. All right, that is her. Now the third prize is a $75 Amazon gift card. So let's pick a winner for that. Christy Bieber. C-H-R-S-T-Y. Yeah, Christy Bieber. All right, let me make sure. I think she's a subscriber because I have seen her name many times before, but let me go check. Okay, Christy, you have 24 hours from the time this video goes live. Not from the time that you see the video, but from the time that this video goes live. You all three have 24 hours to contact me at the email below. Now, if you send your email and you don't get an immediate response, and when I say immediate, I'm talking about like an hour to 2 hours, then you need to send it to the second email that I'll have below. I'll have 2 email links down there. Because sometimes we have such high security because of our website. Sometimes my personal email will block some emails that are coming in. So I'll put the business email down there as well. So if you have sent it and you don't get a response within a couple of hours, then make sure that you contact me through the other email. All right, we will talk to you guys in a little while. Hopefully we'll have time to do a tutorial, and hopefully we'll feel like it. You guys, I appreciate your prayers so much. You have kept me going through all of this. Like I said, I still have about I'm thinking 4 more surgeries, oral surgeries, that I need to have done. I have major problems with some of my nerves in my teeth and under my teeth. I don't know exactly what. Can't explain it to you. They tried to explain it to me, and I said, I have no clue what you're talking about. It's rare. Of course I have to have something that's rare. It doesn't happen in a lot of people. It just happened to me. And when I had that wisdom tooth removed, it kind of set a string of pain. That's all I can say. And it's just kind of been rolling ever since then. Like I said, it's better, but I'm still not completely healed, and I won't be until I have these other surgeries. But I don't know, it just comes and goes. Thankfully, it comes and goes. If it was a constant pain, I don't think I could stand it. But it does, thank the good Lord above, it does come and go, and, you know, periodically. One thing that sets it off is anything I drink cold or hot, or eat something that's, you know, cold or hot, or if I talk a lot, that kind of sets it off too. So that's why I said I'll be doing videos slowly, getting back into it slowly. They may be short, but I'm going to get back into it pretty slow until I can get all these other surgeries done. And, you know, I may be out more. It's just something that can't be helped. I've got to have this done so that I can get out of pain. I mean, I'm pretty tough, but I don't like pain. I don't think anybody does. So anyway, guys, we will talk to you later. And you guys, here again is your name. Hopefully you can read my writing. So you 3 have 24 hours from the time this video goes live to contact me to claim your prize. We will talk to you guys in a little while. Bye-bye.